morning. I'm Jack, and this is my colleague John. He will just listen to us. First of all, we would like to know something about you.
What's your name, please?
Ahmad.
And what's your name?
Alba.
Where do you live?
Tinusa.
How many siblings do you have?
10.
Now, I'm going to ask you about your school life. Ahmad, what clubs or societies do you join in school?
Tai Chi.
Al-Bab, what do you like about your school?
My friends?
Ahmad, which games do you like the most?
PUBG.
Al-Bab, have you joined any school trips recently?
Yes.
In this part of the test, I'm going to give each of you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it on your own for about a minute. You also need to answer a question briefly about your partner's topic. It's your turn first. Here's your task. I'd like you to talk about a celebration held at your school. First, you have some time to think about what you're going to say.
Soalan begini, kita buat beberapa modifikasi. Yang pertama, ni jadi the. Kemudian, talk itu depan dia letak I will. Your itu ganti dengan my. You ganti dengan I. Should ganti dengan will. Atau bertindih ganti dengan about. Okey, seterusnya kita ada 4 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okey, kita buat siap-siap sini. Yang pertama kita ganti dengan to begin with. Tak koma, lepas tu ada next, tak koma, and then in addition. In addition ni kalau susah sebut sebab lidah kita berbelit-belit, gunalah after that. Lepas tu boleh guna in conclusion ataupun yang lebih senang macam finally. Okey, tak koma. Kemudian di sini kita ubah apa yang kita boleh ubah. Contohnya you ni jadi I. You jadi I. Kemudian untuk soalan yang berbunyi if you enjoy yourself, why not? If ni ganti dia dengan yes. Yes, I enjoy your jadi my. Yes, I enjoy myself ada why. Letak siap-siap because. Yang di bawah ni pun ada why. So, terletak siap-siap because. Okey, mari kita tengok macam mana rupa skrip ni selepas kita modifikasi skrip tersebut.
Alright, you may start now.
The celebration at school. I will talk about a celebration held at my school. I will say about what the event was, as a school prefect what I did there, if I enjoy myself, and why school should hold celebrations. To begin with, what the event was, Hari Raya. Next, as a school prefect what I did there, help teachers. In addition, yes, I enjoy myself because with friends. In conclusion, why school should hold celebrations? Because it is important.
For me, what was the recent celebration held at my school? Hari Raya too. Yes, I did have fun because of my friends.
Thank you. Can I have the booklet, please? Now, Albab, here's your task. I'd like you to talk about a place you would like to visit. First, you have some time to think about what you're going to say.
Dapat soalan begini, diharapkan tips ini dapat membantulah. Let's go. A jadi the, you jadi I, talk di depannya letak I will, you jadi I, you jadi I lagi, should jadi will, atau bertindih jadi about. Kemudian there are 4 bullets that you have to change. Yang pertama, to begin with. Okay, yang kedua, next. Kemudian letak in addition. Okay, ini semua perlu practice. And yang terakhir adalah in conclusion. Ataupun boleh guna juga finally. Okay, kemudian kita tengok you jadi I, you lagi jadi I, you lagi jadi I. Dan antara semua ni kita letak perkataan and sebelum isi yang terakhir. Okay, mari kita tengok macam mana skrip dia.
Alright. You may start now.
The place I would like to visit. I will talk about a place that I have always wanted to visit. I will say about the name of the place, what attracted I to the place, what I would like to do there, and who I would like to go with. To begin with, the name of the place, Imago. Next, what attracted I to the place, beautiful. In addition, what I would like to do there, shopping. And in conclusion, who I would like to go with, my friends.
For me, where would I like to visit? Surya Sabah, because of many shops.
Now, I'd like you to talk about something together for about 3 minutes. The task will have 2 parts. In the first part, you will discuss something with each other for about 2 minutes. Then, in the second part, you will have another minute to make a decision together. Alright? Let's begin with the discussion task. It is a challenging time to be a teenager today. Here are some of the most common problems that teenagers face, and a question for you to discuss. First, you have some time to look at the task.
Untuk soalan begini, kalau kita jumpa soalan yang ada what are di depan, kita potong itu what are, kita ganti dia dengan of. Kemudian ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 isi untuk kandidat A dan 3 isi untuk kandidat B. Okey, kita letakkan if semua di depannya. Di depan ayat. Okey, terisi dengan is. Okey, kemudian apa yang berlaku seterusnya, kita letak sequence connectors, penanda wacana. Okey, mari kita mulakan. So the first one is to begin with. Kalau sini to begin with, kemudian kita letak the first point. Okey, yang di bawah ni pun sama, to begin with. The first point. Okey, seterusnya yang kedua untuk isi yang seterusnya after that. Koma terletak the second point. Okey, sama juga di sebelahnya kita letak after that. Okey, seterusnya yang terakhir adalah the last one. Terletak the last one. Kemudian terletak the last point. Okey, So, mesti sama. Di sini pun sama juga. The last one. Okey, mari kita lihat macam mana rupa skrip ni bila kita dah gabungkan semua kata-perkataan ini. Alright.
Now, talk to each other about the most common problem teenagers face.
Hi, I am Ahmad, and I will be speaking about what are common teenage problems. There are 3 points which I am going to say. To begin with, the first point of common teenage problems is anxiety and depression. After that, the second point of common teenage problems is alcohol and drugs. And the last one from me, the last point of common teenage problems is bullying and cyberbullying. Now I have said mine. What about you, Albab? What are your points about the issue?
Thank you, Ahmad. Hi, I am Albab. Now, I am going to continue with my points about what are common teenage problems. As for me, there are also 3 points which I am going to say too. To begin with, the first point of common teenage problems is teen pregnancy. After that, the second point of common teenage problems is gangs. And the last one for me, the last point of common teenage problem is poverty. These are my views on this topic.
Thank you. Now you have about a minute to decide together which is the most common problem that teenagers face.
Untuk bahagian kedua terakhir dalam part 3, part 3, kalau kita dengar interlocutor sebut, thank you, now you have about a minute to decide together. Okey, teruslah kita tukar to decide tu jadi deciding. Kenapa deciding? Kita akan gunakan perkataan deciding dalam skrip yang seterusnya. Alright.
After deciding together, which is the most common problem that teenagers face, I believe that poverty is the most common problem that teenagers face. What about you, Abab? Do you agree with me?
For me, Ahmad, I also agree with you that poverty is also the most common problem that teenagers face. So we both have come to that conclusion.
Thank you. Can I have the booklet, please? You've been talking about teenage problems. Now let's hear your opinion on this.
Kalau kita berjaya sampai ke peringkat ketiga dalam part 3, kita akan dapat satu soalan bonus yang bakal membezakan markah kita dengan kawan kita lah. Okey, antara ayat-ayat yang kamu akan dengar adalah macam ni. You have been talking about teenage problem. Now let's hear your opinion on this. Okey, macam mana cara kita boleh buat ayat kita sendirilah. Pertama, kita potong you ni jadi I. Kemudian let's say your ni kita potong jadi my. Kemudian on this ni kita potong jadi about. Okay, mari kita tengok rupa skrip dia.
I have been talking about teenage problems. Now, my opinion about what can teenagers do when they are faced with problems is find help.
For me, my opinion about what can teenagers do when they are faced with problems is find help too.
Thank you, Omar and Albab. That's the end of the speaking test.